In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your availability on Calendly. Now, we all know how challenging it can be to manage our schedules, to make sure we're available when we need to be, and to also ensure we're not overbooking ourselves. Calendly is a fantastic tool that helps mitigate this by allowing others to book time with us based on our availability. But what do you do when your availability changes? Don't worry, adjusting your time on Calendly is a simple process, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. First things first, head over to the Calendly website. This is your starting point for managing all things scheduling. Once you're there, you'll notice the option to log in. Click on that. Calendly offers various ways to log in, including using your email or continuing with Google, which I find super convenient if you're already using Google products. Assuming you're going the Google route like many of us do, go ahead and click on Continue with Google. You'll then be prompted to select the Google account you want to use with Calendly. Make sure you choose the account you initially used to set up your Calendly account, or the one you want to associate with your scheduling. It's all about keeping your workflows streamlined, after all. Now, click on Continue after selecting your account. This part is crucial because it's where you grant Calendly the necessary permissions to access your Google Calendar. This access allows Calendly to see when you're free or busy and consequently helps avoid any scheduling conflicts. Once you've done this, we move to navigate within Calendly itself. Log into your account and you'll be taken to the dashboard. This is where you can manage all your event types and scheduling preferences. But we're focusing on changing availability today, so look for the section labelled Event Types. Found it? Great. Now click on Availability. This is where the magic happens. In the availability settings, you'll see your current setup. Maybe you've got specific days you're available, or perhaps you've blocked off time for other commitments. Whatever the case, this is the section where you can fine-tune your availability to match your current needs. You can choose to add more slots, remove some, or switch up the days based on your changing schedule. The goal here is to make sure that the times you're available for meetings align precisely with your real-world availability. Adjusting your availability could mean checking or unchecking specific dates. It's quite straightforward. If a date is checked, you're signaling to Calendly and thus to anyone looking to book time with you that you're available that day. If you uncheck a day, it means you're not available for meetings or events. This flexibility allows you to control your schedule fully and prevent overbooking or scheduling conflicts. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments, make sure to save your changes. This update doesn't just apply to your Calendly, it syncs with your connected calendar too, providing a seamless experience for you and anyone trying to schedule time with you. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your availability on Calendly, ensuring that your schedule is up to date with your current availability. This straightforward process not only helps you manage your time more effectively, but also makes it easier for clients, colleagues and friends to see when you're free and book time with you without the back and forth of traditional scheduling methods. Remember, keeping your Calendly availability updated is crucial for managing your time efficiently. It's all about finding that right balance, ensuring you have time for your commitments while also keeping slots open for new opportunities. By following these steps, you can easily adjust your availability whenever needed, keeping your scheduling smooth and stress-free. So, take control of your time with Calendly and never worry about overbooking yourself again. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you keep your scheduling in perfect harmony with your actual availability. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your professional and personal life. Until next time, stay organised and productive.